potatosaurus, a potatosaurus, a potatosaurus, a potato, a potato. A potatosaurus is a thing to see. It's a dinosaur with a long neck, you see. It's called a deceptive lizard, and you can tell why, because it looks like a potato with dinosaur eyes. Also looks like a dinosaur and a giraffe. When you put it together, it makes you laugh. When you see it in your mind, you go whoop-de-doo, because the dinosaur and the giraffe, boo. When you see it that way, you think of the bees, and the potatosaurus bees live in the trees, but not really at that time, because that's what they eat, because they don't know how to climb these trees. They have a long neck, so they don't need to climb. If we square up with them, they really can fight, because the neck is like a club in the Stone Age. You can really get in club these days. Asparagus, lettuce, don't forget leaves, because that's their diet that makes them green. I would keep going, but one more is to say. Haters gonna hate, potatoes gonna potato. JK, that is not the end, but if you want it to be, pause this and you sin. Because the potatosaurus are everywhere, even under your bed. So watch your back, even your head. Because we're coming back to the song, what do you say? The potatosaurus are actually forget it.